stealthy high-performance machines, these innovations are redefining what's possible on the battlefield. Stick around to see how these cutting-edge vehicles are changing the game. The Ripsaw EV2 is a groundbreaking machine revolutionizing defense and security sectors. It's a high-performance, versatile platform used by military personnel for missions like reconnaissance, surveillance, and combat. This beast is powered by a robust diesel engine and boasts advanced suspension, making it unstoppable on rough terrains. With high-tech sensors, it delivers real-time intel. Its autonomous capabilities enhance efficiency, reducing human risk. Fascinatingly, the Ripsaw EV2 excels in special forces missions, offering rapid deployment and precise intelligence gathering. This marvel not only strengthens military operations but also supports border patrol and disaster response. An incredible asset in today's demanding environments. The Boeing Phantom Badger is a game-changer in versatile ground vehicles. Designed for military personnel and used by special forces, law enforcement, and more. Its primary purpose is to provide high mobility in tough terrains, from urban streets to rugged landscapes. One standout feature is its stealth technology, minimizing visual and acoustic signatures, making it perfect for covert operations. Another is its modular design, allowing in the field. The BAE Systems Armored Multi-Purpose Vehicle is a game-changer for modern military forces, providing unparalleled protection and mobility in high-risk zones. Used by infantry and special forces alike, this versatile vehicle excels in diverse operations, from reconnaissance to medical evacuation. Its advanced armor shields against small arms fire and IEDs, while a modular design enables swift adaptation to mission needs. An impressive real-world application was seen in Afghanistan, where the AMPV ensured safe troop transport under intense conditions. With its cutting-edge communication systems and medical capabilities, the AMPV stands as a crucial asset in safeguarding and empowering military personnel. The Northrop Grumman Hellhound is a cutting-edge machine used by military personnel and defense researchers that redefines versatility in aerospace and defense applications. Primarily designed for reconnaissance, surveillance, and combat, it excels with advanced sensors and stealth technology. Unique for its real-time data transmission and powerful propulsion systems, the Hellhound stands out in crucial missions. Imagine a military operation where the Hellhound's stealth capabilities offer an undetectable edge, gathering critical intelligence and ensuring rapid responses. This advanced machine doesn't just support, it's a game-changer for defense and aerospace, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The Hellhound stands out in crucial missions. Imagine a military operation where the Hellhound's stealth capabilities offer an undetectable edge, gathering critical intelligence and ensuring rapid responses. This advanced machine doesn't just support, it's a game-changer for defense and aerospace, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The Lockheed Mule is revolutionizing both military and civilian operations with its multi-utility unmanned ground capabilities. Designed for versatility, it autonomously transports equipment, supplies, and personnel through the toughest terrains. Military personnel rely on it for crucial tasks like reconnaissance and medical evacuations, while civilian organizations use it in disaster relief and search and rescue missions. The Mule's standout features include autonomous navigation and a sophisticated sensor suite that offers real-time situational awareness. Remarkably, it played a vital role in transporting medical supplies during Hurricane Katrina, showcasing its life-saving potential. The Mule is truly a game-changer in modern logistics and operations. The Mule's standout features include autonomous navigation and a sophisticated sensor suite that offers real-time situational awareness. Remarkably, it played a vital role in transporting medical supplies during Hurricane Katrina, showcasing its life-saving potential. The Mule is truly a game-changer in modern logistics and operations. The PL-01 stealth tank is revolutionizing modern warfare with its cutting-edge stealth technology and advanced capabilities. Primarily used by military tank crews, this high-performance battle tank is engineered for strategic battlefield dominance. It boasts impressive stealth features including a low radar cross-section and infrared signature reduction, making it nearly invisible to traditional detection methods. An extraordinary benefit is its active protection system, intercepting incoming threats. Imagine this. In urban warfare, the PL-01 navigates dense city landscapes effortlessly, using its advanced sensors to support ground troops and disrupt enemy operations. The tank's stealth and autonomous navigation make it an unmatched asset in today's combat arenas. Imagine this. In urban warfare, the PL-01 navigates dense city landscapes effortlessly, using its advanced sensors to support ground troops and disrupt enemy operations. The tank's stealth and autonomous navigation make it an unmatched asset in today's combat arenas. The TAPV concept vehicle is a game-changer for the United States Army, boosting mobility, protection, and situational awareness in combat zones. Military personnel, including soldiers and special forces, rely on this revolutionary machine to navigate challenging environments with ease. Powered by a hybrid electric propulsion system, it combines efficiency with power. It features advanced autonomous systems, allowing it to independently navigate terrain, and is equipped with cutting-edge sensors for real-time threat detection. In real-world applications, this vehicle has enhanced mobility and situational awareness while reducing operational costs. The TAPV concept vehicle is truly the future of military innovation. Powered by a hybrid electric propulsion system, it combines efficiency with power. It features advanced autonomous systems, allowing it to independently navigate terrain, and is equipped with cutting-edge sensors for real-time threat detection. In real-world applications, this vehicle has enhanced mobility and situational awareness while reducing operational costs. The TAPV concept vehicle is truly the future of military innovation. The Joint Light Tactical Vehicle is revolutionizing military transport for the U.S. military. Designed to replace the Humvee, the JLTV excels in troop transport, reconnaissance, and logistics support. Its primary purpose is to navigate diverse terrains, from rugged off-road conditions to city landscapes, ensuring mission success. Notably, the JLTV boasts a powerful 300-horsepower diesel engine and state-of-the-art suspension system. Its V-hull design provides superior protection against blasts and small arms fire. Used extensively in Afghanistan, the JLTV's reliability in challenging environments highlights its indispensable role in modern military operations. Solid, versatile, and resilient, the JLTV is the future of tactical vehicles. The General Dynamics. Griffin 3 is a cutting-edge, multi-role unmanned ground vehicle, UGV, used by military, law enforcement, and civilian disaster relief teams. Its primary function is reconnaissance, surveillance, and targeted transport missions. Equipped with a powerful 1.6-liter diesel engine, it can handle a 1,000-pound payload and traverse challenging terrains at speeds of up to 25 km/h. Unique features include autonomous navigation and a top-notch sensor suite, offering real-time intelligence. In military operations and disaster relief, the Griffin 3 excels, providing crucial data and access to hazardous areas, making it an essential, reliable asset in critical missions. The Oshkosh Defense Light Combat Tactical All-Terrain Vehicle is a game-changer in military and emergency operations. Used by military personnel, law enforcement, and rescue teams, this powerful machine is built for all terrains, from urban landscapes to rugged mountains. Its primary purpose is to transport personnel and equipment while offering top-tier protection from small arms, fire, artillery fragments, and mines. One standout feature is its advanced independent suspension system, ensuring stability over rough terrain. Notably, the LATV was crucial in Afghanistan for troop transport and combat support. With modular adaptability and cutting-edge electronics, it's a mission-critical asset. The Paramount Group Maybomb 8 is a cutting-edge armored vehicle designed for military and security applications. It provides unparalleled protection and mobility for personnel and equipment during patrols, combat, and special operations. This powerhouse on wheels boasts advanced armor capable of withstanding small arms, fire, artillery, and IEDs. Its sophisticated suspension and drivetrain systems allow it to conquer diverse terrains effortlessly, while its state-of-the-art communication systems ensure seamless coordination. One of its standout features is its blast-resistant design, significantly enhancing survivability. Perfect for counter-terrorism and peacekeeping missions, the Maybomb 8 is an indomitable guardian in any high-risk environment. One of its standout features is its blast-resistant design, significantly enhancing survivability. Perfect for counter-terrorism and peacekeeping missions, the Maybomb 8 is an indomitable guardian in any high-risk environment. The Rheinmetall's KF-41 is a cutting-edge infantry fighting vehicle that revolutionizes battlefield mobility and protection. Designed for modern combat, it supports infantry units by providing advanced armor and powerful mobility. With a whopping 1,500 horsepower diesel engine, this beast carries up to 8 soldiers with ease. Its standout features include a modular design for easy customization and an advanced suspension system for navigating rough terrains effortlessly. Already adopted by the German and Australian armies, the Lynx KF-41 enhances combat efficiency and troop safety. This marvel of military engineering exemplifies modern warfare innovation, making it a formidable asset in any conflict zone. The BAE System CV-90 is a versatile tracked infantry fighting vehicle designed for modern combat, primarily used by military personnel such as infantry soldiers and special forces. Its main purpose is to offer armored protection and significant firepower, ensuring safe and rapid battlefield maneuvering. Unique features include its modular design, which allows for various mission-specific configurations, and advanced armor that defends against small arms, fire, and shrapnel. The CV-90 excels in real-world applications, such as peacekeeping missions in Mali, where its superior mobility and protection capabilities